What's good, Tampa? Welcome to another video. We decided to come down to Dunedin, Florida here today, downtown Dunedin. If you've never been down here before, cool place, lots of shops, lots of cool restaurants, old school small town vibe in Dunedin. So I'll take you guys with us to show you what we enjoy down here, but yeah, come check it out for yourself.
Look at this chair I'm sitting in. I look like the royal king. I mean, this is great. The ultimate breakfast sandwich. It's sausage, egg, hash brown, bacon, cheese. Is that good? Can you see? Oh my God. I'm not even joking. I'm not even trying to be like nice. I'm not even trying to bullshit. I came in with high expectation. Came in thinking it was gonna be really good. It was like it wasn't gonna be as good as I thought. 4.85. Oh my God. 4.85. Probably the best breakfast sandwich. This is awesome. There's like a spice in here that I like, because you know I like spicy. There's a nice little kick to it. But again, hash browns, eggs, bacon. It's like your ultimate breakfast. And in the sandwich, it's the ultimate breakfast sandwich. 4.85. This was really, really good. I recommend it. Come to the living room, Dunedin, and get this. I'm telling you. Okay. Yeah, I love it. It sounds and feels like I'll be recommending the living room to people who are visiting Dunedin moving forward.